Kick-in-proof door hardware needs a simple, regular maintenance routine to keep your reinforced entry performing as intended. Start by visually inspecting the strike plates, hinge reinforcements, and door jamb every 3 months for cracks, gaps, or rust, and pay attention to any changes after extreme weather or attempted forced entry. Tighten all screws until they are snug, but avoid over-tightening, which can strip wood. Use longer screws that reach the stud or framing when possible for greater holding strength. Check alignment by closing the door slowly and noting any binding or uneven gaps. If the latch fails to seat fully, loosen hinge screws, realign the door, then retighten while holding the door in the correct position. Lubricate moving parts with a dry or graphite lubricant on locks and a light machine oil on hinges to prevent wear without attracting grit. Avoid heavy greases that trap debris. Examine plate edges and bolt surfaces for bending or shear marks and replace any plate that shows deformation, using plates that match the original thickness and extend into the framing. Finally, test the deadbolt and auxiliary bolts by applying steady manual force to ensure they do not shift under pressure, and schedule a professional inspection if you detect metal fatigue, loosened framing, or repeated misalignment. 3 common mistakes are using the wrong fasteners, ignoring minor misalignment, and over-lubricating with inappropriate products. Homeowners often leave short, decorative screws in strike plates which pull out under force. Remedy this by replacing them with screws long enough to reach the framing and retest the hold. Small binding when closing the door gets dismissed until hardware warps. Correct it promptly by adjusting hinge screw depth and door position so the latch engages cleanly. People lubricate with heavy grease that attracts dust and gums up mechanisms. Switch to a dry lubricant or graphite for locks and a light penetrating oil for hinges and wipe off excess. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare services related to door reinforcement and safety upgrades. We connect contractors with homeowners and host a discussion community where we share tips, post project photos, and ask questions about installation and maintenance.